With easy battery reconditioning, bringing dead batteries back to life is simple. Easy battery reconditioning is simple, quick and very effective. The Easy Battery Reconditioning course is the easy-to-follow, step-by-step system to recondition all kinds of old batteries with just simple supplies you probably already have in your home. The course is made up of step-by-step guides that show you how to recondition each type of battery. And each guide is full of pictures and diagrams, so you not only read exactly what to do, you see exactly what to do as well. It's like having me and Frank, the battery man, standing there with you, guiding you every step of the way as you recondition your batteries. And it doesn't matter if you're not technical or don't know the first thing about batteries, because our course is incredibly easy to follow and absolutely anybody can use it. To date, we have already had over 19,000 people use Easy Battery Reconditioning. Take a look at what people are saying. Jen Simmons: I can't believe how simple your reconditioning steps are. My old and once dead car batteries, cell phone battery, drill battery, camera battery and tons of other batteries are all reconditioned and working great again. Since starting your program I've saved over $400 on batteries. Carl Howard: Tom, your plans are great. I was able to bring my laptop batteries and several other types of batteries back to life with your methods. Your instructions are very easy to follow. I have a few more batteries I'm going to recondition today also. Michelle Jensen: I reconditioned my dead car battery a few weeks ago with your program and it's been working perfectly since then. My car battery was completely dead before I used your methods. This just saved me hundreds of dollars on a new battery. Frank Murray: I recently got the Easy Battery Reconditioning program and just reconditioned 2 car batteries. The guides were very easy to follow. I wish I would have found this years ago. Thanks. Kevin Day: I still can't believe how great this worked. My drill battery, several AA and AAA batteries, and my camera battery work great again. This is super fun to do too. Jeff Dobbins: When my car battery died, I decided to try out the Easy Battery Reconditioning method instead of buying a new, expensive battery. And in just 25 minutes, I reconditioned the battery and it works fantastic again. This already saved me $120 on a car battery. I can't wait to try this on other batteries now. Cecile Neal: I was curious about your program, so I decided to try it out after hearing from a friend how well this worked for her. I'm so glad I did. I've reconditioned 17 batteries with Easy Battery Reconditioning, even an old car battery I thought was long gone. My son likes using your program too. This is a skill everybody should know. Thank you, Tom and Frank. In addition to the battery reconditioning guides, you'll also get lifetime support. Get lifetime support from Tom Erickson, Frank Thompson, and our other battery reconditioning experts. Receive all the help you need to bring your batteries back to life again. Lifetime updates. Receive lifetime updates on the battery reconditioning guides. Plus, get all future releases of new battery reconditioning guides for free. Mobile friendly. You will be able to view our battery reconditioning guides on your smartphone or tablet. Now you can take our guides with you anywhere you go. Information Vault. Free access to our battery reconditioning information vault with free articles, guides, and downloads. The information in this vault will turn you into a battery expert. So, why are you waiting? For more information and to purchase your product, please click on link in description.